Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you YNAB how to handle reimbursements. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to handle reimbursements in YNAB, what you need to do is first record the purchase. Enter the purchase as usual in the account you paid from, checking or credit, and then assign the expense to the correct category. This reduces your available funds in the category and your account back. Next step is to track the expected reimbursement. You have two common ways, that is use a tracking category or reimbursement category by simply creating a category, name something like reimbursement expected, and when you pay out of pocket, categorize the expense normally. When you expect reimbursement, budget money in the reimbursement expected category to remind yourself you'll get money back. Then next is to record the reimbursement. When the reimbursement hits your bank, enter the inflow or deposit and categorize it as to be budgeted, and then once the money is in your budget, allocate it back to the category you used for the original purchase. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.